Tired of watching Netflix alone? Let's turn your solo binge into a virtual movie night with friends using the Rave app. First things first, head to your app store and download Rave Watch Together. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the Rave app. You'll need to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start a new Rave. A menu will pop up. Select Netflix from the list of options. Rave might ask you to grant it permission to access your account. Make sure to allow this so Rave can synchronize with your Netflix. You'll be prompted to log into your Netflix account through the Rave app. Enter your Netflix email and password just like you normally would. Now browse Netflix within the Rave app and find the movie or show you want to watch with your friends. Tap the play button when you've found it. Before the video starts, you'll see a lock icon at the bottom that allows you to make the Rave public or private. Making it private allows you to view with your friends, and public will let other viewers join in as well. Also, you can click the speech bubbles on the bottom right to view and chat with your friends. To invite your friends, tap Invite to gain access to other ways of inviting friends. You can invite friends through messages, emails, or other social media platforms you use. Once they join, their video will be synchronized with yours in real time. Start watching and enjoy watching Netflix with your friends.